Welcome to Maths Genius. Today we will be covering an important topic in the maths portion. Welcome back to the ST5 lecture series, and we are discussing the part 2 of question 4 of the April 2017 exam, and they are asking that describe the main components of the FTSE UK index series of indices. Now, when we are talking about index series of indices, look, for example, if I am talking about Pakistan, they have this PSX 100 index, right? And then along with 30 index, then they have this KMI 20 index, which excel. So similarly, when we are talking about the main components of the FTSE UK index series of indices, so it includes the following, right? I am talking about part 2. Okay, so first of all, FTSE 100 index, then the 250 index, then the 350 super sectors index, then FTSE small cap index. These are shares which are pretty small. Then there is FTSE all shares index. Then there is FTSE AIM index, and then there is FTSE fledgling index. Now, in order to learn and memorize that what is important or not, we should go for one word description of each of the following, because these are like 8 pointers. The first one is over here. This is the first one. This is the second. This is the third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. Now, on further elaboration, what we should do, we should write at least one line in each. Okay, so what is FTSE 100 index? We should be aware that it consists of the 100 largest companies. The important keyword is MC, that is marked by market capitalization. So 100 companies based on the market cap. Now what is 250 index? 250 index of course covers what? 250 companies which are below the 100 companies. So below those 100 companies which have the highest market capitalization are the 250 companies that are covered in the 250 FTSE index. Now what is FTSE super index? Right? Of 350 combination of 100 plus 250. This is it. Now coming to the part of FTSE small cap index. All companies below to 350, so less than 350. Then all shares index. All shares index accounts for like 99% of the market. Then FTSE pledging index, remaining companies. And AIM index that covers companies traded in the UK alternative investment market. Alternative investment market, and they are too small for listing. That's the end of the session. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video and subscribe my channel for more videos and updates.